Welcome. How you doing? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Golden Suite 3-day masterclass. That's one more thing that gives us our edge. Put it above those barriers so it smashes through your TP. Price has to push and exhaust. Override it, override it, override it. It's your mindset. Now, we're thinking like the banks. We're understanding where the banks are placing their orders. If you're positive in your life and you've got, everything's reasonably tidy, you're organised, you're not really hectic, everything's quite cool, calm and chilled, that's going to affect on your trading, I can tell you that. And this is where the good traders become great. We just want to make consistent profits and have a fucking good life. So far we are going through mindset and analysis. So what we want to do is, before we even open up a chart, before we get into that analysis, is have the right mindset. We know exactly when we want to trade, when we don't want to trade, exactly what risk we're going to use, what our lot size is going to be, just so everything together can build up for a successful trading day. And they're doing absolutely great at the moment. Everybody's keeping up, and it'd be interesting to see where we are on day 3, so I think these guys are going to absolutely smash it. Which again, we need to override that emotion. So fear of missing out. Don't forget, this is gambling. We're basing everything we're looking at on facts. That's what the charts are there for. All the answers that we need is on that chart. Everything. We've just got to know how to read it, extract the clues, piece it together, and then we execute. Go through a bit of stuff about mindset, confidence, kind of trading misconceptions. Just try and get you all on this sort of trader's mindset wavelength. So one, you know what to expect, you've got realistic expectations, and you kind of know what you get yourself into with becoming a Forex trader, which you're all going to be, right? Sometimes I've got a complete group of beginners that haven't done anything, that haven't been part of the Golden Suite. I need to do loads of examples of pips on the board. Is everyone 100% happy with pips, or would you prefer to do some examples? It makes sense to get a rejection at this level. I absolutely love seeing those, like a double rejection. I'm like, yeah, perfect. I'm getting in now. So price is pushing up. I then started introducing the 3 time frame candlestick trick. And have you watched Secrets of a Pro? Seen that one? So always go with the flow. Really good tip there. Look at the bigger picture. Higher time frames out trump the lower time frames. So if you're confused, you're getting analysis, you're like, oh no, 4-hour time frame, I've got this big double top, which is part of a right shoulder of a massive daily time of head and shoulders. But on hourly and a 30-minute, I've got like inverted head and shoulders. That doesn't matter. Day 1 has been amazing. Everybody is literally just putting in 110%. It's been red hot up here as well. The weather's been amazing. The mission for day 1 is to get everybody at the same level. So when we roll into day 2, we're going to start going through the strategies really in depth and fine detail. So at the end of day 2, we're going to start building our watch list ready for Monday. So we can look at some live trades, potentially take some trades if anything's coming to fruition, and really get on top of the strategies so everybody can leave feeling 100% confident after day 3. The door stays locked until they do. They do not go until they're like, yep, I've got these strategies on lock. I'm ready to tackle the markets. I'm ready to bank those profits. Okay, just before we go, if you're looking to trade Forex, you're not sure where to start, or you're currently trading Forex, but you want to break through those barriers, start becoming more consistent, then drop the Golden Suite a message. One of the coaches will be in contact with you, have a little bit of chat about where you are at the moment and how we can help develop you as a Forex trader. Take it easy.